Hello, my name is Abdi Syafari Latif, number 2. I'm here to tell you about a place in Indonesia, in the west southeast of Nusan. Labuan Bajo is a hidden paradise in the east of Indonesia. The village is located in Komodo Subdistrict, West Manggarai Regency, East Nusa Tenggara Province, which directly border with Nusa Tenggara and is separated by the Sheep Strait. Labuan Bajo is one of the 5 super priority destinations being developed in Indonesia. This destination is the gateway to Komodo National Park, which is home to stunning natural beauty and ancient animals that are unique in the world, from the endemic Komodo dragon on Rinca Island and Komodo Island to the exotic island, underwater biodiversity and beaches. You can find it all by starting your journey in Labuan Bajo. Enjoying the sunset skyline can also be another way to enjoy Labuan Bajo. A strategic spot to enjoy the beauty of the sunset is not far from Komodo International Airport. You can choose the destination of Bukit Cinta, Puncak Amelia, and Puncak Sylvia to capture the shooting sunset sky. There is also Renko Cave, which has an oasis-like charm which is shooting saltwater pool. Labuan Bajo and Komodo National Park are inseparable. The two are connected, so if you are in Labuan Bajo, you must also visit Komodo National Park. To reach the park, you need to visit Komodo National Park. You can get there by ferry or speedboat. There are many temperatures from morning to evening. Gateway to Paradise, listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1991. Komodo National Park consists of Komodo Island, Rinca Island, Padar Island, and several surrounding islands. The presence of Komodo dragon, the world language lizard, was first reported in Scientific Journal in 1912. The journal was written by Peter Anthony Owen, director of the Bogor Zoological Museum. The discovery was the beginning of Labuan Bajo existence in the eyes of the world, as many tourists and scientists come to see the aura, as the Komodo dragon are called by the local. When you are in Komodo National Park, you will be presented with several amazing attractions. One of them is taking picture with Komodo dragon. This will be unforgettable experience of the lifetime. Taking picture with rare animal that only exists in Indonesia. This national park is also famous for its stunning panorama. If you are into photography, there are several spots here that you will want to include in your photography itinerary. Take the iconic Padar Island, which is hilly island and shades of blue sea in the background. The view of the island and the clear blue sea from the top of Kelor Island is too beautiful to miss. Another place not be missed is Pink Beach, or Red Beach as the local call it. The red color of the beach comes from microphic animal and radic local fragment along the coast. Labuan Bajo souvenir. If you want to bring back some souvenir from Labuan Bajo, there are some typical souvenir that you should not miss. One of which is the songke cloth, typical of Manggarai land. This cloth is usually black with various colorful motifs on it, similar to other Nusantara fabric. Songke cloth motifs are very diverse and have their own meaning. There are several songke cloth motifs, namely Rango, spider symbolize honestly and hard work, Welakau, Kapok flower, which mean human connection with the surrounding nature, Welarunu, Runu flower, which symbolism that the Manggarai people are like small flower but source of beauty. Antala, star, which mean good wishes and prayer. Jue, boundary line, which has a deep physiology that everything has end. And you can buy these songke clothes at the souvenir center outside Komodo International Airport. Some of Labuan Bajo ten leasing culinary specialists can also be bought and souvenir. Such as Manggarai coffee, famous for its unique bitter flavor, combining bread made from flour and sprinkled with sesame seed, or a snack made from processed rice flour and grated cacao. Access to Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo is accessible by land, sea, and air. The beauty of Komodo Island, with the richness of local culture and the exotic island around it, make Labuan Bajo a potential tourist destination and crowded visit. 1. By air. If you prefer to travel by air, Trans-Nusa Airlines connect Labuan Bajo directly with several cities in Indonesia, such as Makassar, Semarang, Balikpapan, Kupang, and Mataram. If you are coming from Jakarta, you can fly to Labuan Bajo with several airlines such as Batik Air and Citylink. Flight depart between the morning and afternoon. The travel time from Jakarta to Labuan Bajo is only about 4 hours. Second, the route. A road trip to Labuan Bajo via Flores is also interesting. The road is from Flores Bajawa, Ruteng, Nancar, Embura to Labuan Bajo. Another alternative is to drive from Flores to Riung, Bura, Ruteng, Nancar, and Embura before arriving in Labuan Bajo. This can take up to 12 hours. The third, the sea route. Interested in taking the sea route to Labuan Bajo, you can take Pelnis Lauscher ship which depart from Makassar, South Sulawesi, or Pelni KM Binaya which depart from Denpasar to Labuan Bajo. These are things you need to know about Labuan Bajo, as well as finding out what interesting in Labuan Bajo. You can also capture moments of scenery and atmosphere Labuan Bajo through a device or our camera.